Hello everyone, this is Jason Merkel with Horizon Hobby, and I'm here today to show you how to replace the landing gear on a HobbyZone AeroScout S trainer aircraft. So in this particular model, we've already repaired the wing after a crash, we repaired the fuselage after the crash, and I noticed that the wheel hub was damaged here. Now, for most cases, it's probably okay to continue using this landing gear, but just to be safe, I went ahead and got a spare set of landing gear out of stock here, and we're going to show you how to replace one. It's relatively quick and easy to do. So I'm going to flip the airplane over and show you guys that there is an opening here near the main gear, and down inside there is a plastic tab. That tab is what is going to release this landing gear leg from the airplane. So I'm going to set the fuselage down here upside down. I'm going to look down in there and use a screwdriver to push on the tab. I kind of feel it compress, and then I can slide the landing gear out part way and then remove the screwdriver and pull it out all the way. It's that simple. Now, you could potentially replace just the wheel, but in this case we do sell the landing gear as a complete unit, so it's really quick and easy to replace. I've just got my new one here, and then just like when you built the airplane originally, you can slide that landing gear into the slot all the way in until you get that kind of positive click connection, and you can see, boom, we've already replaced the main landing gear. While we're at it though, we do have the nose gear here. In some crashes, you can bend this back, and if you do, potentially you could bend it back to its original position while it's mounted on the airplane, but just to be safe, I'd recommend using a screwdriver to remove that screw that you originally used to secure it when you assembled the aircraft, to remove the main landing gear, the nose gear here, and then you can put it into a vise and bend it back into the shape that it needs to be. You can also purchase the nose gear unit as a replacement part as well, so that option is available. And then once you have it either bent back into place or you have your new one to install, you'll slide it into your collar, and then just like when you assembled the airplane, you'll make sure that the flat spot aligns with the set screw, and you will secure it. And there we go. And that is how you replace the landing gear on a HobbyZone AeroScout S.